What's going on, guys? So right now I'm actually shooting on a brand new camera setup in the lens, and my objective is gonna see what I can do with this handheld. So I'm gonna try to film a car edit like as cinematic as I can possibly get with no tools. So I have the camera body and the lens, and that is it. And then I'm just at my house right now. This is super casual. I just have my Miata and my 240. Both cars are super dirty right now. This is actually after, so it's a couple hours later after we just filmed with Johnny the Miata drive with the pedal camera and all that stuff. This video actually might even be live before that video. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and stop talking, and we're gonna try to shoot this handheld and see what I can do. And if this goes well, I actually think I'm gonna at least try to encourage my friends to shoot a handheld edit to see what we can all do and see who can do it better. You know, just friendly competition, but that'll be like obviously same thing, only the lens and the camera. Whatever lenses you can you want to use. Even a tripod is fine too, but no gimbals, no stabilizers, no glide cam, no Ronin, no crane, no fly cam, whatever else you use, or sliders even. So just your hands, the camera body, lens, and a tripod or monopod, whatever. All just the basic photography stuff. And that would probably be at a cooler location than at my house than with dirty cars. But yeah, let's see how this goes.